All right. So the second thing I want to let you know is the account you create is going to do this word. All right. You see all these word, these 15, 18, all these. The account you create is doing this. After 14 days, you need to pay $95. $95 to do this. The rest of them don't need Cengage. Okay, these you need Cengage. Do you understand that? The account you create is for the Microsoft project. Microsoft project. It's used for tool in any job. You need to use it. So when you finish, and it help your future like academic, your class and also your future career. One more thing I want to remind you is this. Okay, you see right here you have a word exam here, and you will see you will have Excel exam. There's a Word 1A, Excel 2A, Access 3A. These three exams, if you get 90 points up, Cengage will email you a badge. Okay, a badge. And the badge you can claim as extra credit. Word badge, Excel badge, sorry. Let me, too fast, I'm sorry. Let me go down. Oh, where's the badge thing? Right here. Word badge, Excel badge, and Access badge. All right, it will email you. You want to download it because this badge can demonstrate, can verify you have the Microsoft skill, and these are very can verify your it's something to prove you are professional. It's okay. Once you finish, and I will show you where to post on your LinkedIn. Okay, that's what we need to do. So anybody who understands this, your Cengage account is for your first column work. Okay? Let me show you how to do your first column work. Is that okay? Let me show you. So if you click on Word, you already have these. The assignment look like this. Okay? Before you click it and you're going to do it. Okay, let me click it and show you. Then I'll come back to tell you what are the resources you need to do it. Mine is a little bit different from you because I'm an instructor. Okay, but yours, it's okay. So for my, anyway, you are going to have instruction and start out file, support file. I have a solution file, but I gave you the solution file. So yours look different from mine. Then I want to show you how to do it on your own. Okay? I want to show you how to do it on your own. Just give me a second. It's slow. Let me coming back. It's too slow. Okay. So let me show you. So, right, you already know you need to do that, right? Then what you need to do is I want you to click and sorry. Mistake. I click wrong, okay? Sorry. One more time. Sorry. I clicked too fast. All right, let's go to this summer course one more time. Okay, I click on first one. I want to know how I approach this assignment. How do I do it? Is that okay? So these are the assignment right now, and I am just going to go to next because I don't need to click right now. Okay, it take a while, so I go next. I'll tell you every single assignment. You have the file, you have the support thing. First is study guide. Study guide right here will tell you the this is finished correct answer. Okay, and number one is whatever you download, it will say whatever is like your name underscore 1. You must change to underscore 2. Otherwise, the system doesn't take it. Okay? Now, you will have steps. Like this one has 17 steps. If you like read and you just want to research yourself, for example, say your work in the financial aid department, Avery University are creating a flyer to advertise upcoming financial aid workshop. Begin by making the following change to the document theme and the theme color to match other document from the financial aid department. So you will see a file, then you change the document, you need to click on the design tab, theme, and office. If you like to read by yourself, do this one. Okay? If you rather me to demonstrate for you, then you click next. You click next. I have a video. This is demonstration video, but please excuse my accent, okay? So that's a demonstration video. I do hands-on, step-by-step, teach you how to do it. So it's good way is maybe you can slow down the video. You can make the video play like 0.8 speed, 0.75 speed, make slow down, and you follow. Then you follow. Understand? Then you have PowerPoint. I guess you probably don't have time to read that because 47 assignment for 8 weeks is very, very challenging. If you decide to take this class, you need to commit it. You want to do at least one assignment a day. Okay? So these are the same thing. You want to click it, and you will either see a study guide or you see a demonstration video. But if you see the demonstration video, you still don't understand and you still have a mistake, then this is time you should call your AI bot. You should call, this is a prompt. Write a prompt clearly. You will say, the question say this, and I do this, and I don't get this result. Can you help me out? So this is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So anytime you could ask help from the tutor bot. Okay? So you don't need to Google it. You don't need to AI it. We have our own personal AI to help you. It is tailored exactly for our class. Is that okay? So for these, there's a time limit. You can do as many times as you want. No, sorry, 10 times. The exam is 5 times. There's no limitation of the time. When you finish, and you will have report. You click on report, that's your grade. If you don't click your report, you will see your answer from the grade book. You'll see your answer. It's automatically will be appear. The answer will be appear on the grade book. Okay, so you will be able to see the answer. Some something like that, the word, and already get 100%. Okay, So far, I need to clear the annotate. Somebody draw something right there. So just a minute, okay? All right. So far, do you understand? And let's go back to here right now. Let's go back to our home. All right, go back to our home. All right. So what I explained it to you first, what is slow, sorry. Yes, so sorry, slow. All right.